meditation is easier than you think. Actually, you can meditate everywhere, anytime, under any circumstances. It's just awareness. So what we call the essence of meditation is awareness. Awareness meaning knows what you are thinking, what you are feeling, what you are doing. That is awareness. The knowingness knows. So many people think meditation is something which is very difficult. So empty mind, don't think of anything, concentration, like that, So that is the misunderstanding about the meditation. So actually, meditation, you don't have to do anything like block the thought or create special state of mind, peace, calm, no need. Just simply be. So as long as if you're aware of something and then maintain that awareness, that is the meditation. So, but of course, sometimes when we meditate like that, then a lot of thought pop up in our mind, like to-do list. I have to do this. I need to talk to that person. I have this important deadline. Am I wasting time? How can I know I'm doing right or wrong? So all this comes. So that's normal. So when I was young, first time when I meditate, I have all these things comes. Sometimes I completely forget to listen to sound. And then suddenly I remember, I forget again. So that's okay, no problem. You can try again, listen to sound, forget, listen to sound, forget. So that is the sound meditation. So today, please practice after this. So when you go out or when you go at your workplace, just listen. So you can listen to any sound, not necessarily with the gong, ringing the bell. So just listen to sound everywhere, anytime. Okay.